Want to find the right people fast using real data inside evyAI? Here's how to use the Find Prospects feature. Start by opening evyAI. Click Network, then click Find Prospects. This is where you can search for people using multiple data points. You can search by domain to find everyone working at a specific company. Enter a company website, press search, and evyAI will return all available contacts. You can also search by name, company, email, phone number, or LinkedIn URL. Each method helps you identify exactly who you're looking for with precision. If you have a phone number, evyAI can detect location and match it to a profile. If you have a LinkedIn URL, evyAI will identify the person and pull their details instantly. For deeper targeting, click Show Filters. Here, you can refine results by location, job title, industry, and more. For example, you can search for decision makers in a specific state and narrow it down by role. Once you find the right prospects, select them and click Save Connection. They'll be added to your saved profiles for follow-up and outreach. From there, you can open a profile and access contact details, including email and phone number when available. You can also use the directory feature to access ready-made prospect groups inside evyAI. For example, you can open directories like executives who sold their business and instantly view targeted prospect lists. To narrow the results further, click Filter to open the advanced filtering panel. From there, you can refine prospects by city, state, industry, title, and more. For example, type Brooklyn into the city field and click Search to view only prospects located in Brooklyn. You can also view their recent LinkedIn activity and engage with their content directly using the evyAI side panel. For advanced research, you can run external AI-powered searches to gather more insights about your prospect. All searches are saved, so you can revisit them anytime inside the Find Prospects section. With evyAI, you can identify the right people, gather accurate data, and move from research to outreach without switching tools.